Students, today we start the second chapter in quantitative techniques titled Correlation Analysis. Today's class QT 2.1 deals with meaning and definition of correlation analysis and types of correlation. At first, let us see the meaning of correlation analysis. Students, all of you have already learned the various measures of central tendency such as arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median, mode, etc. Measures of dispersion such as range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, etc. Measures of skewness and measures of kurtosis. In all these measures, we consider only one variable such as mark, height, weight, age, income, price, production, demand, etc. etc. The data concerned with one variable is called univariate data, and the analysis of such data concerned with one variable is called univariate analysis. But in practice, we may come across with situations where there is a relationship between two variables. For example, there is a relation between rainfall and agricultural production. Similarly, relationship exists between price and demand, income and consumption, height and weight, etc. Here we consider data relating to two variables. The data concerned with two variables are called bivariate data, and the analysis of data concerned with two variables is called bivariate analysis. The degree of relationship between two variables under consideration is analyzed through the technique of correlation analysis. Therefore, correlation analysis is an important tool for bivariate analysis. Now, let us see the definitions of correlation analysis given by various authors. Two variables are said to be correlated if change in one variable results in a corresponding change in the other variable. According to A.M. Tuttle, correlation is an analysis of the covariation between two or more variables. In the words of Simpson and Kafka, correlation analysis deals with the association between two or more variables. According to Ya Lun Chow, correlation analysis attempts to determine the degree of relationship between variables. In nutshell, correlation analysis is a statistical tool which studies and measures the extent of relationship between two or more variables. Now let us see different types of correlation. Correlation may be classified under three heads. They are positive and negative correlation, simple, partial, and multiple correlation, and linear and non-linear correlation. Let us see the first classification, that is positive and negative correlation. Under this classification, there are two types of correlation. They are positive correlation and negative correlation. And what is positive correlation? If both the variables are moving in the same direction, the correlation is said to be positive. In other words, if an increase in one variable results an increase in the other variable, there is positive correlation between the variables. Similarly, If a decrease in one variable results a decrease in the other variable, the correlation between the variables is positive. For example, suppose the values of variable x are 5, 8, 14, 20, and 35, and corresponding values of variable y are 28, 40, 65, 80, and 90. The values of variable x show an increase in each time. What about the changes in the values of variable y? They are also increasing in each time. So the variables x and y are positively correlated. Okay. Then what is negative correlation? If both the variables are moving in the opposite directions, the correlation is called negative correlation. In other words, if an increase in one variable results a decrease in the other variable, there is negative correlation between the variables. Similarly, if a decrease in one variable results an increase in the other variable, the correlation between the variables is negative. For example, variable x shows an increase in the values. What about the changes occurs in variable y? Y variable values show a decrease in each time. So x and y are negatively correlated. Let us see the next classification, that is simple, partial, and multiple correlation. Under this classification, correlation may be simple, partial, or multiple. And what is simple correlation? Simple correlation means the study of the relationship between two variables only. For example, correlation between price and supply or correlation between price and demand are simple correlations. If a correlation analysis, in a correlation analysis, if there are more than two variables, then the correlation analysis is not simple. It may be partial correlation or multiple correlation. Partial correlation refers to the study of relationship of one variable with one of the other variables. For example, let the three variables rainfall, temperature, and yield are related to each other. Then the relationship between rainfall and yield is the partial correlation. Here it is assumed that temperature is constant. Okay. Then what is multiple correlation? Multiple correlation refers to the study of relationship of one variable with all the other variables together. For example, in the above case, if the relationship of yield with both rainfall and temperature together is analyzed, it is the case of multiple correlation. The third and last classification is linear and non-linear correlation. Under this classification, correlation may be of two types. They are linear correlation and non-linear correlation. Let us see what is linear correlation. When the amount of change in one variable leads to a constant ratio of change in the other variable, it is called linear correlation. For example, if 5% increase in price of a product leads to a 10% increase in supply each time, then there is a linear correlation between price and supply. When we plot the data in respect of linear correlation on a graph paper, we get a straight line. Therefore, linear correlation is also called straight line correlation. In case of linear correlation, a linear relationship exists between variables. This linear relationship can be expressed as y equal to a plus bx. Now let us see what is nonlinear correlation. When the amount of change in one variable does not lead to a constant ratio of change in the other variable, it is called nonlinear correlation. Here, the ratio of change in one variable fluctuates at different times for a constant ratio of change in the other variable. For example, an increase of 5% in one variable leads to a 10% increase in the other variable at one point of time, 8% increase at another time, and 15% increase at the next time. Here, the ratio of change in the second variable fluctuates at different times. When we plot the data in respect of nonlinear correlation on a graph paper, we do not get a straight line, we get a curve. Therefore, nonlinear correlation is also called curvilinear correlation. In case of nonlinear correlation, the relationship between variables cannot be expressed as y equal to a plus bx. Students, let us conclude the class 2.1 here. Today we studied the meaning, definition and types of correlation. Students, don't forget to prepare the notes of class 2.1 today itself. Thank you for listening the class. Have a nice day.